add HashSet class or import HashSet class to your program or file, and then create object for the HashSet. So I'm creating object for HashSet as HS, and then to this object HS, I will be adding elements. Now before adding elements, I need to also give the type. So I'm using the wrapper class integer to give the type of HashSet, and both the sides we need to mention type here like this. And then to the object, we can use add method or other methods which are supported by HashSet, which can be used by HashSet. That is add all the collection. We can add all the collection objects like that. So the common add method I'm using here, I'm adding an integer as 10. Similarly, for integers, I'm going to add to this HashSet. So integers are nothing but the whole numbers. So the wrapper class integer we use for giving integer type. And to print it, I'm using here system.out.println for now. Later we will be seeing the cursors to traverse this data structures. I'm printing it using println, and when I run this, I will be getting all the elements of HashSet displayed. Now you can observe it's not in the order in which we have inserted. So it is not maintaining the order of insertion. It will randomly store the elements. So 10, 25, 5, and 4 is the order, but it is 4, 5, 25, 10. The order is different. Not sorting the elements. It is after HashSet, linked HashSet. S object name I'm taking ls, and linked HashSet, the object name equal to new linked HashSet. Now to use this linked HashSet, we need to import in the same way linked HashSet class. So from Java util package, we need to read to our program or import it to our program this way, and we can then use it in our program. For linked HashSet also, I'm taking integer type only. We'll be adding integer type data to linked HashSet. So the object name is ls. The common add method I'm using, and so I will be copying this and adding here. I will just change here the object name ls. So the same elements I'm adding just to see the difference between linked HashSet and HashSet. So here in the same way, the same elements, same like HashSet, I've added to linked HashSet. When I run this, we'll be getting the elements in order. HashSet is not maintaining the insertion order, whereas linked HashSet, where each element is linked to another, it is maintaining the insertion order. The order in which we are inserting the elements is maintained in case of linked HashSet. Same way, like how we have used HashSet and linked HashSet, we will be using here TreeSet. So for that also, we need to import our util package TreeSet class. After importing the TreeSet class, we can create object for it. So I'm creating as TS object of TreeSet. Same like HashSet and HashSet, I will be adding same elements. I will just change the object name. So we will change the object name to TS, adding the same elements like HashSet and linked HashSet. We have added to the TreeSet all the integer elements. Now we are getting some warning because we have not mentioned the type. So I'm mentioning the type integer here. So now if I execute or run the program, then I will be getting the elements in sorted order. They are sorted in ascending order. So you can observe here, HashSet is not maintaining insertion order, and also it is not sorting the elements. So it will not sort elements, and it will not maintain the insertion order. That is, it will not maintain the order in which we are inserting elements. Whereas linked HashSet, it will maintain the insertion order, but linked HashSet also will not sort the elements. It will not sort the elements, but it will maintain insertion order. Whereas in case of TreeSet, it will not maintain insertion order. Whatever elements we are adding, it will sort it in ascending order and then play. So TreeSet, as it implements the sorted set interface also, it sorts the elements which we are inserting.